There are a couple of ways to access Spotlight Search. The first is the magnifying glass on your menu bar, near Wi-Fi. Another method is pressing Command and Spacebar. Spotlight Search is a very useful tool for navigating your MacBook. It searches multiple places at once. As you can see, it will show search results for Safari. It shows these how-to videos in our photo library, and even a dictionary definition of the word how. Spotlight can also open applications, without needing to find the application. We opened the calculator, but Spotlight can even calculate for us if we type in the search box.